Guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable Safari search engine suggestions on the iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen, and on the home screen tap on settings. In settings, go down and tap on Safari. Next, you want to go down and tap on search engine suggestions. So tap on the switch to turn it on or turn it off. If it is on when you are in Safari, and if you are putting in a keyword, there may be suggestions from the search engine itself, like this one right here. And that's it. So that's how you can turn it on or off in Safari settings on the iPhone 13 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.